thank you for your entry to my ATC birthday challenge, the Swap and Glue, the goodies, and the mail tag. I appreciate and love everything. Love always, Mel. Isn't that the cutest card? Little bit of bling there in the center. So she sent me this bundle of goodies, and look at what we have. You know what I'm thinking is maybe this will be the one that I do. Yeah, I think this is going to be the one I'm going to do a Masterboard with. Oh, and she sent me tea. And you guys, I was just talking earlier. Organic raspberry leaf. Oh, I'm going to have this one right here. Alrighty, so this was thank you mail plus a swap. And I think somewhere in here, there should be a mail tag. I think this is it. So this is going to go into the mail tag pile, and in a day or two I'm going to be doing mail tags. So, and then I'll be back in another video. I've got a new idea and I'm so excited about it. Welcome to my Swap and Glue with Mel from Everything Marmie. We're going to go through these items, and then my idea is, instead of putting it in my book, which is what I was doing up until recently, I'm going to start doing other projects with Swap and Glues. I'm going to make a Masterboard with this one to use in my journals this month, and so here we go. Alrighty, so what I have here is this piece of base paper, and I'm going to go ahead and blow out my candle, set it up aside. Okay, let's get this party started. Now, remember, I'm making a collage Masterboard, so I am going to be putting all sorts of different things in all sorts of different places. And I won't necessarily be trying to make a cohesive story this time. That will be rare for me. But I think Marmie will appreciate me trying something new, right? She gives me that vibe that she supports our creative journey. There's the envelope, and there's the card that she sent me. I'm going to keep those. They go into the correspondence journal. Now, I love this page. I love the blues and the pinks. I think that it brings a lot to the table. So I'm going to use these and put them, both sides are gorgeous. I'm going to add this pink side on this one. I don't think do want to take some of this green and make it not so square. There we go. That helps a little bit. A little bit. Okay, now we go to the next stage. And you say, next stage? What's the next stage? The next stage is stamping and mixed media. If I'm going to do mixed media, this would be the stage I would do it. I'm going to keep all of this, and I thank her so much for all the extras. Alrighty, so I cleared off my surface so that I could do some stamping. I have some embossing powder. I have a few different inks. I thought we might go to the next level with this because, like I said, it's going to go into some journals that I'm making, and it's going to be part of the collab hashtag tag along with us, which is a collab that's going on the YouTube with Martha and Annie. And so I want to support my friends. So here we go. I am going to now remember, I've started with a Swapandglue, right? And I'm just going to try to do as much as I can to bring some interest into this, because these are going to get cut up. And I don't have to be perfect. I don't have to worry about how every little inch looks, because when it gets all cut up, it's going to be an amazing transformation, right? So there's that. I'm going to set that one aside. And the silver may get on every one of these, actually. I don't know. Some of them may dry before the silver comes. Some of them may not. I want to get these numbers in here because I think they're fun. And then there we go, right? We have a Masterboard. How fun is that? Gosh, I might make a cover out of it because I seen one of our ladies working with us. She did that. I might do that, and then I will tag her in this too, because I thought I could just do a bunch of different, but I think I might do a cover out of it. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so Cooking Up Crafts did this first. She did this in a video that she put out this weekend. So I do want to call her out and give a big shout out to Cooking Up Crafts. This was not what I had originally planned, but once I seen how it looked, I think, yeah, that's exactly what I'll do. I'll do what she did over there. Now, when someone inspires you, it's okay to do what they do. Just give them the credit for the inspiration, right? It's important to call out and shout out people that inspire you. I am going to, well, I'm not going to. This one's empty. I'm going to look for one that's just almost empty, but not empty, so that I can get rid of some bottles here. Okay, so this is the glue that I use. I am not cutting it. I am going to bind it as one piece, and I will show you how I do that. Okay, so I'm going to put this on here. There was a fold in my paper that I want to kind of follow along with so that I don't have to fold it multiple times. All right, so there we go. Now I just want to make sure that I have, if anything, I'd want some of it to hang over the edge so that I can cut it off rather than not enough. All right, let me get my scoring tool. So Cooking Up Crafts gets credit for this, and then what I'm going to do with the rest of it is what I was talking about to begin with, right? So I'm going to fold that, and then I'm going to put some more glue down. So go check out her channel, you guys. She just joined in with our junk journal with us, and what she did this week was really cool. And it's a mixed media cover, different than this, but you know, making the cover by hand rather than putting a decorative paper on there, which I think is really cool. I think that's when you can do that, when you can make your own cover and not use a decorative paper, then it's a little bit more you, right? Okay, so let me check my spine. Don't want any buckles. All right. And then one more time. Now I did outline this and then cut it, but I cut a little bit, you know, larger because I'd rather cut it off than not have enough. And then how exciting is it going to be to add our own tags? Gosh, there's so many things now. We've got a cover, and then we're going to have tags. So basically out of one Masterboard, we're going to have built so many key factors into one journal. And there's a fold there. Score that. If anything pops up on you, right, you just throw some glue on there or trim it off. Okay, so there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I did end up being a little bit short right here, so I will go over to my guillotine and I will cut it straight, cut all of the edges straight, and then I will be back. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. So there we go, all guillotined and looking great. Now let's cut some tags, and then we will have completed our fun Swapandglue, right? So I want my tags to be 2.5 inches. And then we have all these tags to work with for Wednesday. And then we'll do other things with them. So you guys, this is what we did with one Masterboard from Mel from Marmie, Everything Marmie. This is what we made from her Swapandglue. How fun is that, guys? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.